So, end of week 38 and made the comeback today at the Scottish Masters Championships. Pretty much as expected. 6 lifts out of 6, 9 Scottish records. Best lifter of the championship award, but more importantly, qualified quite comfortably for the World Championships. So, downside, the World Championships should have been next June in Orlando, but I'm told now it's been put back to the December next year. So, gives us more time again to prepare for it, I suppose. But quietly happy after 5 months starving and really 14 weeks training. So I'm pretty much where I should be, and we have a good year's training behind me. Still as confident as ever. Next stop will be February, March, probably British Championships, where we should see some major improvements again. And then it'll be head down and training away for Orlando. So, nice wee update, and I'm pretty much where I should be. Bye. Enjoy the video.
Come on.
There you go. Do it live. There you go. This is Mr. Harold Cooper and Ricky keeping Lizzie Doll on her toes. Harry, Mr. Chairman, Mr. President is still #1.